In this video, you're going to learn what is a copyright claim on YouTube, how bad is a copyright claim, can a copyright claim be removed, how to avoid being copyright on YouTube, and where you can find copyright music for your videos. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If it is your first time here, my name is Tamika and I'm happy to have you. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or even just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, then you're in the right place because I'm here to help you grow your YouTube channel to a success. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So grab your notepad, your notebook, your paper, and let's get into it. So the first thing that we want to discuss is what is a copyright claim on YouTube. And basically, that is when you use the content in your video, whether it's music or those funny little clips, whatever, content basically that someone else owns. And when somebody else owns that content and they put a copyright on it and you use it, then you get a copyright claim. A copyright claim can mean different things. Your video won't be shown in some territory, like some countries, or your video won't be able to be monetized. So whatever money that video make, that will go to the copyright owner. So that leaves people with the question of how bad is a copyright? A copyright claim is not as bad as a copyright strike. A copyright strike is where you want to stay clear of copyright strike. You can lose your YouTube channel with a copyright strike. If you want me to do a video about copyright strike, just leave me a comment down below and I'll do just that. But a copyright claim is not as bad. As I say, for most time, you're just gonna not be able to get any money off that video, of that content that you produce. Your video won't be shown in certain countries, certain territory. So it is not as bad. But still, you don't want to be losing money from your content that you create. So try and avoid getting copyright claims, and I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So just continue watching the video, okay? And the next popular question, can it be removed? Can a copyright claim be removed? Yes, it can be removed. I'm going to show you here how it can be removed. So here I have a video with a copyright claim on it, and I left this specifically for this video tutorial. So how to remove the copyright claim from the video is you hover over it and then you click on see details. This is going to give you a host of information, right? So you see here that it does not impact my channel, does not affect my channel. My video is public, and right here you see that I will not get any money from this video. So any money that this video make will go to the copyright owner. But here they give you different actions that you can do. So you can either trim out the segment where the music is that doesn't belong to you, or you can replace the song. So you can replace the song with one of the YouTube library, a song from the YouTube library, or you can mute it. So you have three, and you can also dispute it. But if it's your song, your content, or you got the rights to it, then you can dispute it. If not, I'll hop for one of these three right here. So let's say I'm going to replace the song, right? It's going to take me to the YouTube library. See, so these are the songs right here that I can choose from the library. And I'm just going to choose the first one just for the purpose of the video. So I'm just going to click add. And then see, it's loading right here. After it's finished, I'm going to click save. There you go. So we're going to click save. Ready to replace song, and you're going to click save. And it tells you that the process might take a while, so you can always close the window. You don't have to sit and wait on it. You can always close the window, but the process is going to take a while, and that's how you remove the copyright music or content from your video. And it is fairly easy to avoid copyright claims on YouTube. As I say, all you have to do is stay clear of other people's content. There are places where you can find music background music to put in your videos that is created for creators. For example, you have the YouTube library. The YouTube library is a great place to find free music. Also, you have paid places like Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is, I think, $15 a month or something like that. Don't quote me. But you can pay at Epidemic Sound and get great quality trending music to put in your videos that is totally copyright free. You also have places like Amazon. Yes, believe it or not, you can get copyright free music for YouTube. It literally says that, for YouTube on Amazon for probably $1 or less, and some of them are free. And also, you, depending on the editor that you use, because the editor that I use is an online editor. It's not a software, it's an online editor. So basically I can edit my YouTube videos from anywhere in the world, from any computer, any device, because it's online. So all you have to do is go log in online, and I explained that in another video. Make sure you check out this video if you want to learn more about wevideo. But basically, the editor that I use, they provide stock footage, they provide music, and everything it's copyright free, right? So they have so much stuff to choose from. So that's where sometimes I get my music. And then the last place that I want to talk about is thematic, whatever you want to call it. But I just learned about this place, and it is amazing. You also get trending music there, and not only just instrumental, that like what you find most places, literally songs with words. Did you hear what I say? Songs with words. So if your channel is a vlog channel, that's perfect, because since I found this place, I can't wait to do a vlog so that I can have literal music with songs with words to put in my vlog to hype my vlog up. Come on now. Those are the places that you can get copyright free music for free and paid. So it's all up to you, your budget, or what you want, what you're looking for. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Show you girls some love, and I'll see you in my next video.
We know